Hey guys, this is a quick addendum to the Bird of Prey review that I have here. Optibottom has posted a comment saying that his only gripe with the toy was that while it can go into the attack mode, it cannot go in its landing position. And I didn't even think to try it. I have not seen any pictures of the toy with it in that configuration. I thought Diamond Select would just have done the attack mode and the cruiser mode. I am delighted to say that it can go from cruiser to attack, and then up even further for the landing mode. So, Optibottometh, Paul, buddy, that should be your only gripe taken care of. And it does look quite nice. You can actually, I take it off here, you can actually set it down as if it is landing. So, there you go. I'm sorry I didn't show up in the actual video itself. It didn't even occur to me to try it. And that was my boo-boo. So, bye guys.